Okay, not endorsing this car, but you know what? I'm going right now. I'm going at the rehearsals of FPW, which is happening on 21st to 22nd Feb, where the rehearsal is happening. So I wanted to show you that कौन क्या कर रहा है मीटिंग में क्या चल रहा है और क्या कौन कौन क्या पार्टिसिपेट कर रहा है. So let's see कि what's अच्छा these are the people who don't know कि मैं इनका इंटरव्यू करने आया हूँ, and the models are here, and Adnan Saadi is here, and Nigat Misbah is here, and Zorain is here, and the team is here, and they don't know मैं इनको पता नहीं कि मैं इनके साथ क्या करने वाला हूँ. Let's talk about the director Adnan Ansari. Assalamu alaikum Adnan bhai, how are you? Finally spot you here. Okay, Adnan will tell us about this FPW 2021 होने वाला है 21st to 22nd.
I would like to thank you and Fashion Council for giving us the opportunity and for you to capturing us. It's going very fine, very smooth. We are very organized. My team is here from London, so everything is under control. Very excited actually because I'm working after 12 years in Pakistan, and so really looking forward to it. The models are here. Thank you.
Okay, just coming from the London and doing the show here in Pakistan. So what do you think about K? What's so special this time? Because after COVID, still COVID is happening now and everybody is affected now. So what is it? Do you think after like long time break, you doing this show? So do you face any hurdles or different things in Pakistan?
Hurdles, to be very honest, we have no hurdles because we've been trained thanks to London for COVID.
Yeah.
So we know the precautions, we know all the SOPs, we know how to take care of the COVID. There are a lot of not hurdles, restrictions.
Yeah.
In a good way, we take it in a positively because it's more organized. It's going to be less people. For me, my philosophy is less is more, so which is perfect. So it's not difficult. It's just using your brain and how to do it in restricted areas or in a limited resources. So that's fine.
I saw you post. You just announced that I'm the show director of LFPW now. So what was the reaction that time? Like you were excited or nervous? Like
to be very honest, excited. Definitely, I am. I'm living abroad. Still, I'm Pakistani.
Yeah.
I'm known for being Pakistani, and I'm known for being a Pakistani event. Coming back home and doing an event, it was really exciting. So that's why we brought our team as well. And yes, the feelings were really, the blood was rushing. And even I'm telling you now, it's very.
Then tell us something very special. कुछ खास होने वाला है, कुछ ऐसा है, performance है, क्या है?
Performances, to be very honest, जितने भी आप बाहर international shows देखते हैं, उसमें कोई performances नहीं होती.
Okay.
So we're not doing any kind of performances and dances or drama and choreography. It's very international oriented.
Yeah.
But yes, it's going to be a surprise for you on the day when it goes live. It's a very different thing.
Okay.
I think it's never been happened here before. It's a different concept. The lighting, I will not call it set. It's something else. Have a look when you see it on the day.
Great. Good luck, Adnan. All the best to you and your team.
Thank you.
Let's move on with the team and everything is spotted here. The models having tea, chai piye, सब लोग यहाँ पे मजे में. Let's go hi कर दे. Wave करते हैं. I'll move it towards the different people. They are in talk with them. Like, let's catch Zorain. Hi Zorain. Hi Zorain. How are you?
You're gonna catch me like this.
Yeah.
Oh my
It's
God,
okay. It's okay. You don't stop like. Yeah. So fake it till you make it. I like this line.
Yes, this is a message to all the models. Fake it till you make it.
Wonderful. Okay, Zorain, tell us about your role in this FPW 21.
Basically, I came as a volunteer and I'm helping Sadaf sort of train the male models. So basically recruiting models. Tariq Amin helped us find for here
Nice.
Model Hunt as well. So Model Hunt, say we recruited some, and I knew a few boys who were really enthusiastic. And initially the vision of Fashion Pakistan for mine was we wanted to introduce new faces and give them an opportunity because yes, all the senior models had their fame and designers want their name. So we wanted to give new talent the opportunity to shine. And I think this is the time, during COVID and stuff, this is a time when we should have regeneration and having something new happening in the fashion industry.
Okay, what's the difference this time? And as I'm sure you have seen a lot of. You are the pointer of this shows and the different culture and the different people and everything. So this time, what do you think about Q? This is challenging for everyone, right?
It's very challenging, but we're following, very strict SOPs, very selected bloggers and like yourself and stuff and media, and just I think two guests for designers, and then they're following SOPs. And the stage is very different. It's not a ramp stage. It's like very sort of artistic sort of walkthrough
Oh, nice.
thing. So it's more about ambience,
Oh, nice.
creating a nice ambience, which Adnan Ansari from Rabbi is managing.
That's really cool.
So it's a different type of vibe totally.
Okay, tell me one thing which no one knows about FEW में क्या होने वाला है?
Drama,
Okay.
beauty, and refreshing fashion, inshallah.
Okay, good luck, Zoran, to you too and to your team.
Okay, thank you so much.
Okay, look, see the modeling competition is here. So I didn't want to disturb them because Adnan is guiding properly who's going to sit here and who's going to stand over there, because this is what in the end you're going to see over there. Let's catch up to Sada. Hi, Sada, how are you?
Never mind.
Okay, Sada, tell us about your contribution in this.
I'm
Because
the
you're doing model,
choreographer.
yeah, you're the choreographer, right, for this show. So tell us what kind of choreography you are doing this time.
You'll see.
Tell us that. थोड़ा
It's
बहुत
actually,
बता-
I like, I mean, it's a very cliche thing. I like less is more.
Yeah.
And the simpler you keep the choreography, the better, the sleeker it looks.
Being as a designer and being now doing choreography, right? So,
I'm showing my collection also.
yeah, oh great, wonderful.
Yeah.
So tell us about your collection first.
My
Like,
collection is again going to be quite offbeat, but I'm quite excited. I'm doing a few saris. I'm doing some new fun stuff.
okay. So was it difficult for you to choreograph this show?
No? Actually, it's a lot of fun. It's very exciting.
Because no, like everybody's to know kya, what kind of show it will be.
Yeah, it's going to be a very like an authentic. Like I spent years in Paris, so you know the way the whole setup and the smaller setup because of COVID, how we're inviting
Yes.
them into them. It's very. I mean, it looks like it's going to be like Paris Fashion
Oh,
Week
nice.
or something like Lolita Lempica's fashion shows, which
How
used to take
cool.
place in a garden,
Yeah.
you know, spring and all. Yeah.
Good luck to you and
Thank
to your
you.
team. Let's
Thank
move
you.
over to other people. I want to catch. हम यहाँ से गुजर के जाएंगे. I'm sorry guys, I'm ruining this thing. Now I want to catch the beauty queen, the beauty person here is Nighat Misbah. Assalamu alaikum Nighat appa. कैसे हैं आप? ठीक है Nighat appa. आप यहाँ जाए because हम disturb करें अदनान को. I'm sure अदनान will scold us. ये क्या हो रहा है यहाँ पे? तो Nighat appa ये बताएं क्या होने वाला है? किस तरह का look देने वाली हैं आप इस पूरे show में? क्या
It
इसमें
will
क्या
be
होने
a
वाला है?
surprise. It will be a surprise. I'm
थोड़ा
not
बहुत
going
बताते,
to.
थोड़ा रील बताएंगे क्या लुक होगा, कैसा
Very
होगा.
minimalistic, very. I don't know. There's something. They're all in my mind and
Okay.
सब कुछ है, but very high end वाला. It has to be different from them normally क्योंकि मैं बहुत दिनों के बाद फिर कोई शो कर रही हूँ. And I hope इंशाल्लाह कि अल्लाह ताला सब ठीक करे. It's going to be 2 looks in one day and the 2 looks on the other day, open, tied up hair and you know the different type of makeup. So normally कुछ change लगे.
Okay, do you miss all जो हमारा पहले होता था show because that time like proper एक show चल रहा है, दूसरा show हो रहा है, like you know happening something happening all the day, next day
Time
कुछ हो
has
रहा है.
changed. Time has changed. बहुत सारी चीज़ें change हो गई हैं. कुछ चीज़ें नई हैं, कुछ चीज़ें वही revive करते हैं, दोबारा से आती है. But आजकल तो बहुत अच्छा है कि everything is in. You can wear whatever you want. You can put whatever you want to put on the face. वो सब चलता है. It just मतलब how the things the girls कैसे carry करती हैं, क्या आता है. And I think under Maheen, Sadaf, Adnan, or of course Deflex,
Yes.
we'll do something very great, inshallah.
Okay, is there any demand something किसी ने demand की कि हमें ऐसा बनना दिखाएं, हमें ऐसा दिखाएं. We said sorry ये नहीं होता यहाँ पे.
नहीं फैशन शोज वगैरह में लुक्स पे इतना है डेफिनेटली मेकअप हेयर डेथ प्ले वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट रोल क्योंकि 10 डिज़ाइनर्स होते हैं. यू कैन नॉट हैव इस लिमिटेड टाइम में है. तो इट्स गोइंग टू बी 2 लुक्स पर डे और उसी को लड़कियां कैरी करेंगी. थोड़ी बहुत चेंजेस होती हैं वो होंगी. अदरवाइज अब ड्रेसेस हर एक के अलग ही होते हैं. तो
Exactly. And कोई डिमांड नहीं किसी
No,
की
no,
तरफ
no,
से.
not
तो
yet,
we
not
just
yet.
wanted to कि हमें
No.
अपना मेकअप करना है, हमें अपना स्टाइलिश रखना है.
नहीं ऐसा कुछ.
ऐसा कुछ नहीं है.
No, no.
So are you excited for the show?
Yes, definitely.
Okay, great. Thank you so much, Nigapa. Take care. See ya. Let's get some models over here. हमारे बहुत सारे models में मौजूद हैं. So I wanted to किसी को हम सबसे one by one पूछेंगे. I'll ask from everyone. So guys, how are you? कैसे हैं आप? ठीक है. So you tell us about yourself.
My name is Umar Farooq and I am here for rehearsal for FPW
Okay.
2021.
Is this your first time you're doing this show?
No, I did.
कोई पर्ची थी या just रेफरेंस कर दिया?
No, it's married actually.
अच्छा, who did your audition? Who did your like proper जो आपका हुआ like setup के लिए audition के हवाले से?
एक्चुअली ये तो कोविड से पहले भी दिसंबर में होना था, एज यू नो.
Okay.
पोस्टपोन हुआ था कोविड की वजह से. और बहुत अच्छी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है, सदर माइन है और अदनान है.
Was Mahina auntie fair with you? Like, ठीक है बेटा, I mean, we just looking like 6 feet high, not bodybuilders, not, you know.
Exactly, mine, yes. Not bodybuilder, क्योंकि eligibility नहीं है ना कि आप बहुत ज़्यादा बल्कि होंगे, so you are not able to, ramp. So they want lean and good, like मतलब eligible हो for the model.
ठीक है, चलो, good luck, all the best to you. Let's move other people. Hello guys, assalamu alaikum. Hello, how are you? Okay, just join together. I'll ask one by one question to you. ठीक है, all of you. अच्छा, who is the more excited? Raise your hand. For the show. अच्छा, who is not excited for the show?
Everybody is.
You're not excited?
I am excited.
Okay,
I'm very excited.
Okay, who did your audition? You.
Sorry,
Who did your audition?
I was here through Zoran.
You.
Tariq Amin.
You.
Same Tariq Amin.
Tariq Amin. Achha, who do you think the best choreographer in Pakistan, apart from Sadaf?
Well, we can only say Sadaf because she's over here, and we don't know any other.
Okay, tell me the one name who's the best makeup artist. Apart from Bashir Bhatti, not Nigat Misbah?
Sorry. Oh, I have never seen her, so that's why. Sorry.
Okay, are you really? What does the thing major looking forward to this Fashion Pakistan week? Because it's happening after a long
It's the
time.
first one, and it's after such a long time. I have high hopes with it.
Okay, you also?
Very excited about it.
Okay, who's your favorite designer?
Imran Rajput.
Is he in the list? Is he in the
Oh no.
I would say Amir Adnan.
Amir Dad? Okay, is he in the list? Is he
No, he's
participating?
not.
I just Samir Sai.
Samir Sai, अच्छा he's the safe side, you know, ये safe है यार, इसको because वो walk ही बहुत
Because I
करे.
know him personally, that's why.
अच्छा, चलो यार, all the best to you, take care, inshallah, see you then. And the happening is again. So I asked different people questions for you people, so just keep following Farizan and let's see what's happening here. Good luck.